I'm excited. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays, sometimes other days, but today I'm gonna be playing with this cute little collection I picked up from Target. The 4th Ray Beauty for Target, and this cannot have come at a better time. It is the Minty Fresh Peppermint Lip Duo. There's a lip balm and a lip scrub. How cute are these? I don't think I've tried like the stick formulas of their balms or scrubs from 4th Ray Beauty, but I do have their what are they, like the potted ones of the scrubs and the lippies. I just say lippies, but you know what I mean, like the lip balms, the masks. I have those. I love them. Amazing. Like, and it's ridiculous because for the price of this, which is mind-blowing, I'm over here thinking like I need to pay more or I have other products. It's just for the price of this, it's honestly, I think $14, nothing compared to what I've paid in the past, where I thought like, oh, I need to spend 30 some dollars on a lip scrub for it to be good. That's not the case. Well, I hope it's not the case. Well, I know it's not the case for the other ones, but let's open this up together. Oh, it says Pucker Up Buttercup. I plan on it. It says the routine: apply scrub to lips in a back and forth motion to exfoliate, wipe away remaining excess, and then follow with balm to moisturize. So I don't use water, just wipe it. That's cool. We're gonna figure this out together. I'm not a huge fan of peppermint. I can't really smell it. So let's take these out. They're so cute. As always, the packaging is to die for. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at the little cuties. Do you see what you are? Lip scrub, lip balm. And then of course it says 4th Ray Beauty. Trying to make it like all cute and presentable. Let me see what we're working with. Oh, look how sharp that is. And you're the lip scrub? No. Very soft, very smooth. Oh, it's very sweet and like mild minty smelling, which I like. I don't mind. And here's the balm. It looks the same. It looks the same. It smells a little bit more minty, but looks the same. Look at those. It looks like a piece of like gem. I want to say glass because glass is sharp, but like it's so shiny and sharp like a stone. I'm impressed. If you're not, I'm impressed enough. So I just took a shower. I don't know if you could tell, I have my wet hair pulled back. I just took a shower, so I'm gonna come in with these because my lips are so dry. It's a thing. Let's come in with the lippy scrub. Do you say anything else on here? No. 4th Ray Beauty. Imported ingredients / parts. No. Okay. Let's do this. I've used other ones before, like the e.l.f. one, which was okay. Not great. Oh man. I hope this is better. I have high hopes. Do I not? Oh. Do I not put water? It's grainy. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's melting down. Okay. Wow. I love this. I just destroyed this, but I love this. It is. Wow, this is grainy. And yeah, I'm gonna touch it with my finger. This is so incredibly fine, grainy. What are you? And it's super mild mint too. So I was really worried about that, how it was like peppermint. And I know peppermint tends to be really strong. These grains, I know I made a mess. These grains are so tiny. You can't even see them. They're so little. I love it. You can even just massage your lips together. I feel like I'm doing a good job. And just wipe it off. I use water for my fingers. Wow, we're like a bomb. Wow. So I did try to wipe it off a lot with my hands. My poor little mouth is all red now. That's what I get. But I did try to wipe it off with my hands first. There is like oils or a balm in there that just makes it so slick and slippery. I can sort of feel it on my lips still. So I had to try and wipe it off and then rinse that off, and then it just wasn't working. So I brought in my makeup remover. And now we're gonna go into the peppermint lip balm from 4th-Ray Beauty for Target. Look at that! Oh, I love it. It's so sharp. It's so scary. I don't want to use it, but I'm going to. Let's do it. This is more subtle than that one for the peppermint. It doesn't like, I expected it to like melt and gloop onto my mouth. That was not the case. Very soft, very smooth, very nice. Like it's like a thin formula, it's not thick, so it's kind of hard to melt down too, because I went over it quite a bit, and I don't have a ton of product on me. I like these. I like them a lot. In case you couldn't tell, I like these. These are nice. My lips feel nice. And I know this is awkward and I shouldn't have done it. It probably says somewhere on the packaging, but it tastes sweet when you accidentally ingest some of it, which is probably not what it's recommended for, but it happens. It tastes sweet, so that's why I'm assuming this is sugar, really fine sugar, because it felt so nice and so little. I didn't really feel like, maybe because I'm used to like the bigger chunks of things, like the crystals and the, what was it, salt, coffee, I forget what other kind of food scrubs I have for my body, but those are like bigger and chunkier, and these are very fine little pieces. And I don't know, maybe I just didn't feel like it was like scraping and scratching it up or scooping it away. It kind of just, I don't know, felt like I was massaging it along, rubbing in it a little bit, but overall it feels like it did a good job. Is it worth $14? Yeah, I think so. I know, and it's a little bit of a stretch. Like the old me would have been like, no, any given day, no. But when your lips are in crisis and you don't know what to do, and it's just, you gotta go through these steps anyway to take care of yourself, this is a perfect set for that. All in one, done, and it's at Target. It's at Target. 4th-Ray Beauty's at Target. Like, I think this is the first part of 4th-Ray Beauty coming to Target, but I foresee all of 4th-Ray Beauty and what's the other one, Soul, and the rest of ColourPop coming to Target, because it's such an affordable brand. They're such a great brand. I'm excited. I don't know if you could tell. But I'm going to end this off here. Let me know if you guys have tried these yet, or any of the other ColourPop 4th-Ray Beauty to Target. And I'll catch you next time. Bye!